Today we're going to cover all the software's most commonly used functions. To get started, you need to log in. Type your PIN number to log into the system for the first time. The first time you log in for the day, you will also be clocked into the system. You will be prompted to select the job you will be performing for that shift. You will also be asked to select whether you will be using a cash drawer on the system. Once you are clocked into the system, you will only need to enter your PIN number to log back into the system during that shift. Now that you're logged in, you're ready to enter your first order. Your order entry screen consists of your primary menu categories such as appetizers, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and any other menu sections you may have. The arrow buttons at the bottom of the menu screen can also be used to navigate through your main categories if you have more than can fit on one screen. When you select any of these category buttons, you will see the menu items included in each. Selecting a menu item will add it to the current ticket and bring up any choices or modifiers available for that particular item. If there is a question mark next to a menu item on the ticket, it means that a particular choice is required for the item. If you haven't started a ticket, this will automatically create a new ticket with the item already applied. You can continue adding items. To assign a table to this new ticket, press the table icon located in the upper left of your menu screen. Press OK to confirm the order once complete. Alternatively, you can create a ticket by pressing the New Ticket button at the lower left of your menu screen. Here you can select the section the table is located in, the counter or table location, and how many people will be sitting at the table. For example, we will place a party of 2 at table 5 in the bar. Press OK to confirm the ticket. As you can see, the table is now associated with the newly created ticket. You can also start a new ticket by selecting a customer in the customer database. To access the customer database function in your Harbortouch system, press the Customer button in the upper right corner of the screen. Select a customer from the list and then press New Ticket button. This ticket will automatically be associated with the customer from the database. If a particular customer at a table wants to pay separately than the rest of the table, you can split this person to a new ticket. In this case, simply select the icon for that person and press the Split Ticket button at the bottom of the screen. Select the second option to split only the selected customer to their own ticket. Now press the Split and Print button to print a new guest check for the table being split. You can see the original table still has the original 2 patrons, and a new ticket has been created for the customer that was split. If every customer at a table would like a separate ticket, press the Split Ticket button without selecting an individual customer. Select the third option and press the Split and Print button to print separate guest checks for each split ticket created. Each customer at the table will then be assigned to their own ticket. If a customer is paying with cash, you can close the ticket using Fast Pay if it is enabled. A Fast Pay bar will appear at the bottom of your menu screen whenever you select a menu item. Exact change, the lowest dollar amount, and common bill types such as $5, $10, and $20 are automatically made available. As items are added to an order, the Fast Pay bar automatically adjusts for the new total. If the tender amount is not shown, you can simply press Pay to manually enter an amount or use another payment method, such as credit or a gift card. To pay with a credit card, first enter the amount to be charged to the card, not including the tip. Next, touch the credit button and swipe the card or enter the card number manually. Note, the amount shown here is considered a pre-authorization and cannot be changed or removed. Print the pre-authorized receipt and return to the customer. Once the customer signs the receipt, the payment can be finalized. To do this, make sure the ticket is open and touch the Pay button again. The pre-authorized payment will appear. Enter the amount the customer has left for a tip, and then touch the Enter Tip button to add the tip to the payment. Press the Finalize button to finish the transaction. To pay with a gift card, first enter the amount to be charged to the card. Then select Gift Card as the payment type. You will be prompted to swipe the card or enter the card number manually. Press OK to finalize the payment. List View offers an alternate way of displaying your open tickets and provides you with additional control over the tickets. Employees with permission granted by a manager can access List View with the button at the bottom of the screen. On the List View screen, staff can perform commands on multiple tickets at one time by touching and selecting the tickets. Simply press the List View button near the bottom of the menu screen to access this view. Press the appropriate column header to sort as desired. These tabs include Customer, Time Ordered, User, Time Left, and Amount. You can also view other servers' open tickets by pressing the All Tickets button in the lower left. Functions available from List View include assigning tips, transfer tickets, print guest check, and combine tickets. To assign a tip in List View, touch a ticket and then press the Assign Tips button. Enter the appropriate tip and confirm the amount. By selecting another server's ticket and pressing the Transfer to Me button, you can transfer an order to yourself. To transfer a ticket to another server, press the Transfer To button and select the active server to which you would like to transfer the ticket. You can also combine tickets together into a single order using List View. Simply select the tickets you wish to merge and press the Combine Tickets button. All orders selected will be combined and named after the last ticket that was selected. After confirming your selection, press OK to finalize the merge. As you can see, the tickets have been merged into one. Press the List View button to exit List View and see the combined ticket as it would normally appear. Sometimes you may need to void an order. To cancel an entire ticket, open the order and touch Void Ticket at the bottom of the screen. Select the reason for the void from the list. The software features a customer database, perfect for keeping track of your best customers for loyalty or marketing programs. Also, you can easily look up a particular customer. To access the customer database function in your Harbortouch system, press the Customer button in the upper right corner of your menu screen. A list of your customers will be displayed. To find a particular customer, enter any part of their phone number, name, or address into the search filter. Select a customer to view their entry. Pressing the Edit button will allow you to modify the customer's name, phone number, address, and other information. Press OK to save your changes. You can view and recall previous menu items this customer has ordered, complete with their favorite modifiers. You can create a new ticket directly from this screen by clicking on one of their favorites and then pressing OK on the ticket. Take note that tickets created from the customer database will automatically be associated with that customer. Press the Customer button in the upper right to exit the customer database and return to the menu. Once you're done with your shift, it's time to clock out and run a shift report. The shift report lists all sales and transactions for your current shift. This report can be used to reconcile cash, credit receipts, and tips against what has been entered into the system during your shift. You can do this at any point during your shift, but it is typically done when you are ready to clock out. First, access your personal page by clicking on the button in the top right. You will see your shift report on this page. You can just print the report from the screen